This is from Temecula to
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Shelby Lifestyle. Today is going to be one unique episode. It is my sister's wedding. Check out this guy's car right here, wide body tuned Ford Focus. You don't see that every day. You know what, yesterday, instead of hitting up a Mustang rally, I was all the way up in Newport Beach, and I stopped by a bunch of exotic car, companies, Ferrari, McLaren, and Lamborghini. But one car I do want to get in the future is a Huracan Performante. Now that is one car on the list, and if I can't get a Ford GT, I will for sure stop and see what I can do to get that Performante. That does remind me, so pretty soon the new Ford GT order banks will open up, and if you guys don't know, that car is extremely tough to get, and you gotta have social media to get it. And I think this channel, we're gonna be doing pretty good with that. So if Ford does accept that application, that will be one insane car to add to the channel. A 2020 or 2019 Ford GT with two Shelby Mustangs, and you know for a fact we're gonna be drag racing that thing, taking it to the road course and driving it across the country.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's right door, and I'm sitting on that.
So the wedding is about to start pretty soon. We do have plenty of time. I think I'm gonna pull out the Mavic, which you guys aren't aware of that. That's my drone, and it's always fun flying that thing around. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Well, there you guys have it. She is officially married. You guys may know her from my video, the reaction video, inside the GT 500 Super Snake. I believe that video has over 400,000 views now.
Yeah!
Also, okay.
Should we keep that in there? What's up, vlog? It's Diane, maid of honor here at Emily's wedding with Kaylee, bridesmaid. We're looking fly. Look at this gorgeous woman. Look at her. Stunning. Stunning. Head to toe. Stunning. What do you Stunning. know? Beyonce who? I don't know her.
Oh, yeah. Are you guys
The
staying
end.
hotel?
The end. A beautiful
Yeah,
love
no,
story. A
hotel.
beautiful
Oh,
wedding.
Cool. Marriott or
The beautiful Emily
Oh.
Everett Nelson is now here.
Enjoy your last night alone.
Her best friend stays. How are you so good?
I don't usually film like these kind of events. I usually just stick to the Mustangs, the cars, the lifestyle of driving the Shelbys and stuff. But this is a bit of a spin-off, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And make sure to like, comment down below, subscribe for much more of the Shelby lifestyle, and I'll see y'all in the next video.